Hello guys, welcome to my channel. In this video, I'll show you how to fix controller or gamepad not working in John Carpenter's Toxic Commando on PC. First, try changing Steam input settings. Open Steam, right-click the game, go to Properties, Controller, and set it to Disable Steam Input. Launch the game and check. If it still doesn't work, enable Steam Input again and relaunch the game. Next, disconnect extra USB devices like additional controllers, adapters, racing wheels, or other input devices, then start the game again. You can also try connecting the controller with a wired USB cable instead of Bluetooth. Another fix is to set the default controller in Windows. Search USB game controllers. Open Setup USB game controllers. Go to Advanced, select your controller, and click OK. If you're using a PlayStation controller, you can install DS4 Windows so the game can detect it properly. Finally, try launching the game using Steam Big Picture mode. One of these methods should fix the controller issue. Thanks for watching, and please like the video and subscribe to the channel.